Hi everyone and welcome to NameHero.com. Today I want to show you how to make a post inside of WordPress. Now for those of you that are familiar with WordPress, you might know it's pretty easy to do, but I do want to walk through the exact steps. So the first thing you need to do is log into your WP admin area. So when you install your WordPress, WP, if you go to wherever you installed WordPress and put /WP-admin, then it takes you right here. So you can see in my address bar, this is the example install that I have, and WP-admin, it brings you here. So from this page, you can see you can customize bunches of stuff, but to make a post, you would highlight over post and click add new. And it just takes a second to bring it up. And then this page right here is where you would enter your post headline. This is an example post headline. And then this is where you'd write the body of the post. And you can see throughout this you can add media. So you can add any media that's already in your library. This is a new install, so I don't have anything. So you could upload items to this. You can create a gallery, or you can even insert from a URL. If you have a URL of an image or even a YouTube video, you could embed it inside of here. You can also see that this text editor is very, very feature rich, as you can use another headline into your text, and you could change it up to have heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or even the pre-formatted headline. You can bold or italicize, make a bullets list, a numbered list, block quote, in your alignment, of course, and of course adding links. It also has a toolbar, so you can do text color and paste this text and all that other stuff. So you can really this is really feature rich to make your posts really stand out. Back in the early days, before we had content management systems such as WordPress, we used to have to actually go through and add HTML to our posts before we could put them live. So this editor kind of takes all the guesswork out of it. So if you scroll down here, you'll notice I have Yoast SEO, and I have another tutorial on YouTube as well as in my blogging guide on how to install that. But that actually allows you to make sure that your post is SEO'd to where it'll show good in the search engine results. So after I title my post and I write my post and go down, I can then focus on my keyword and do my SEO. And then after that, I can head over to this right section. So if I just want to save it as a draft and continue working on it, let's say I'm not finished the post, so I just click Save Draft. And then I could log back in at any time and finish it and do that. Me personally, I do that all the time. If I want to preview how it's going to look, I just click Preview, and you can see this is my example site. And so you can see this is example post headline, this is example headline, and where you put the post. So you can kind of see how everything correlates together when we do a preview on our example site. Now, if we wanted to publish this, we could, but we would have to, this would be pending review first. And then visibility, is going to be a public post. You can stick it, you can password protect it, or you can even make it private. It's also interesting that in WordPress, you can schedule your posts. So if you want to post right now, you can obviously post immediately. If you want to post tomorrow or the next day, you can schedule that. And what I like to do is schedule a series of posts. So I'll sit down on Sunday and schedule for the entire week. So then it looks like I'm posting on my blog every day, but actually I've made all the posts on Sunday. I just had the WordPress publish them on each day. So it looks like that I'm actually blogging each day when I really scheduled them up. So that's a very beneficial feature of WordPress. So you can just set the schedule to each post here. And let's say I wanted this one to go live on the 31st, tomorrow. So we click 31st, and this would be the same hour as right now. Click OK. And then this changes from post to schedule. So I could click schedule, and then it would automatically post, and I would see it on my blog at January 31st at 4:22. Okay, so let's go to all posts. And this is where you can see all the posts that are inside your WordPress. So you'll notice when you install WordPress, they have this Hello World post. And if you go to your website, you can see the test post, Hello World. And so they do that so it shows you how a comment looks and how everything fits in your design. So feel free to remove that post, or you can also edit it and change it into a post that you actually want to use. So you can edit it here, or you can simply move it to the trash. But that's really how the posting system works inside of WordPress. If you want to add a page, it's the same as a post pretty much, other than it's in pages. So you can look at all pages and you can see they have a sample page. So if we go back to the sample site, you can see the sample page, and this shows you how it's set up. And so this makes it extremely easy for those that are new to making a website online, just to kind of see how they do it. And then you can go through, and the same with the post, you can either edit the sample page or you can delete it. So you can see how they made this indent here. You can see how they did that exactly inside the interface. So it's quite... it's pretty neat how they make it so simple and easy, regardless of your experience, to have a page online. So, and that's the same with pages as with posts. If you want to, you can schedule it to be a draft, or you can schedule it to publish on a certain day or a certain time. Let's say you have a guide or something coming out. You could schedule it on a certain day, just like we did before. There's also a template right here. So if you wanted to change the template of the site, so maybe this is going to be a site map, maybe a contact form, or maybe a full width with no sidebar, you could define that here. It's nice how WordPress also puts that there. And then finally, you have the option to do a featured image. A lot of people like to put images that will get picked up on their social media accounts right here. So, you know, when you share an article on Facebook, they show a portion of the image. So that's where a lot of people like to do that. But that's pretty much the posting and page system of WordPress. It's probably the most powerful part of WordPress, and I personally just like how quick, simple, and easy it is. You can create multiple users to come in, so not just you. Maybe you're not just the one in charge of the content on your website. You can have multiple writers all coming in and making their own post right here, and they don't have to worry about HTML or FTP or uploading anything like that. Everything's right here inside the interface. So if you have any questions on how to make a post or how to create a page in WordPress, feel free to comment on this video. I'd love to help you out, but or you can reach out to our support team at NameHero. We'd also love to get to you. So if you have any questions, just let us know. Other than that, thanks for watching, and enjoy your WordPress hosting at NameHero.com.